Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the toggle control in Power App Canvas app. A toggle control is used to switch between two states such as on and off, yes and no, or enable and disable. It helps user quickly change settings in an app and make the app more interactive and user friendly. So here we have this Canvas app that I have already created. First, we will insert a toggle control into the app. Now change the true text property, remove the existing value and add dark mode. Next, change to the false text property and set it to light mode. Now I want to add some color to this toggle. First, change the true fill property and add a color like this color will appear when the toggle is on. Now change the false fill property and add this color. Firstly, remove this one. This color will appear when the toggle is off. Now select the toggle control, then go to the OnCheck property. Remove the existing formula and add this one. This formula creates a context variable called variable app mode and set its value to dark when the toggle is turned on. Now select the OnUncheck property. Remove the existing one and add this one. This formula changes the value of the sum variable app mode to light when the toggle is turned off. Now select the screen and go to the fill property and add this formula. This formula check the value of the variable app mode variable. If the value is dark, the screen background will change to black. Otherwise, the screen background will change the light color. Now preview the app. When I toggle on, the app switch to dark mode, and when I toggle off, the app switch back to the light mode. So in this video, we learned how to use toggle control in Power App Canvas app and how to create a dark mode and light mode feature using toggle and variable. Thanks for watching.